Hey y'all, it's Bria here at Peachtree Hills. Just wanted to tell you guys about Televet. So if your pet is having a procedure done, dental, spay, neuter, dropping off, we want y'all to download the app Televet. So this is so cool because in the Televet, you have direct access to your doctor while they are doing the procedure. So while your pet is here, you will get updates. So, hey, Sadie's doing well after her spay. Here she is, you know, she's woken up for her anesthesia. So it's really great for pet parents that just want to know and know how it's going. And also the best part is once you've taken your pet home, you still have that chat and that line of communication is open to you. So if you're curious about the incision or just seems a little lethargic, you still have direct access to your doctor, so you can simply send them a message and they will get back in touch with you pretty quickly. It's really great. So you can see a couple examples of that here. Once the day before your procedure, I will send you an invite to the consult via email. If you already have the Televet app downloaded, it's going to pop up on your phone just like a notification, and you'll just open it. And if you don't, you will just get an email and it is going to take you to your app store to download Televet, and there you'll simply enter a password, and it is so easy. So make sure that if you have a surgery or a drop-off appointment that you download Televet.